Audible has just made some big changes to their plans, and not all of them are good. If you're an Audible subscriber, you need to know what changed, which plan to avoid, and how to get a hidden deal that isn't even listed on their website. Let me break it all down for you. 3 things changed. First, Audible removed the Plus catalog plan. This was the $7.99 a month plan that gave you unlimited listening from the Plus catalog. Gone. Second, the new $8.99 standard plan is a rental. You pick one book a month, but you don't own it. If you cancel your subscription, you lose access to every book you got on that plan. And third, on the standard plan, if you don't pick your book within the month, you lose it. There's no rollover. Let me put this side by side so you can see the difference. The standard plan is $8.99 a month. You get one book, but it's a rental. Cancel and you lose it. No Plus catalog, no rollover. The Premium Plus plan is $14.99 a month. You get 1 credit. You own the book forever. You get full Plus catalog access, and your credits roll over for up to 12 months. Standard plan is cheaper, but you're not keeping anything. Premium Plus is the one where you actually own your books. Here's something important. Some users are reporting that Audible switched their plan to the cheaper standard plan without telling them. Go to audible.com, click Account Details, and check what plan you're on. If it says Premium Plus, you're fine. If it says Standard, contact support immediately and ask them to switch you back. Multiple users have had this corrected just by asking. Now, here's the best part. There are plans that Audible doesn't list on their website, but customer support can set you up with them. The best one is the annual plan. It's $85.99 for the year, 12 credits up front, plus catalog included, and you own all your books. That works out to about $7.17 per book. There's also a silver plan, 1 credit every 2 months for around $14. Cheaper if you don't get through a book every month. Neither of these is listed anywhere. You have to ask. Here's how to get it. Open Audible's chat support. You'll start with an AI chatbot. Keep asking to speak to a real person. Eventually, it'll connect you. Once you're through, say something like, "My plan is renewing soon. Are there any discounts or promotions available?" Multiple people report getting the $85.99 annual deal with absolutely no pushback. Another trick, try going through the cancellation flow. Audible often offers discounted plans to stop you from leaving. And if you're done with Audible altogether, there are free alternatives. Libby gives you free audiobooks from your local library. All you need is a library card. You can often sign up online. Hoopla is similar, but with no waiting lists. You borrow instantly, though there's a monthly limit. And if you already pay for Spotify Premium, you get 15 hours of audiobooks a month included. A lot of people don't even know this. To recap, 4 things. Number 1, avoid the $8.99 standard plan. Books are rentals. You lose them when you cancel. Number 2, check your current plan hasn't been switched without your knowledge. Number 3, contact support and ask for the $85.99 annual deal, 12 credits, keep your books, plus catalog included. And number 4, use Libby, Hoopla, or Spotify as free supplements, especially for books you don't need to own. And that's the full picture. Audible's changes aren't great, but the good plans are still there if you know where to look. Drop a comment if Audible changed your plan without telling you. I'd love to know how widespread this is.